Yep.
Hello everyone, today we will explain about our MOOC. My group 6 is made up of Valentina Herrera, Rey San Martin, Ana Jaraba, Brandon Sanchez, and my person, Yurani Severich. Introduction. This presentation provides a comprehensive overview of the development, implementation, and impact assessment of our massive open online course, MOOC. For instance, the purpose of this video presentation is to highlight key aspects of our book, such as the creation process, implementation details, practical experiences, impact assessment, improvement proposals, dissemination strategies, and evaluation results.
Now, the goal of this video presentation is to highlight key components of our MOOC, such as the creation process, practical experiences, and implementation. Now, another goal is to evaluate the effectiveness of the course by assessing its impact on learners and identifying areas for improvements. Now, the creation process of this MOOC can be highlighted in 4 points. And the first, each one of us chose an assessment trend from the list provided in Annex 1, New Trends in Testing and Evaluation in ELT. Secondly, we created a collaborative course on Canvas instructor, which allowed multiple teacher accounts. And then we created the outline for our massive open online course or MOOC, which included unit titles, duration, learning objectives, quizzes, and assignments. Then we created and organized content for the MOOC, which included the content for the learning objectives, for the assignments, and the quizzes. Now, in addition to this, we added short video tutorials explaining each trend. And finally, we conducted a pilot test of the MOOC with peers to verify functionality, coherence, and correctness, and also gave detailed feedback for each unit and its content to improve the MOOC.
Implementation details. The implementation of the MOOC course is structured in the 5 units. It's dedicated to the different assessment trend. Each unit is decided to the address indeed the specific learning objective related to the down trend, as well as to the highlight its importance in the current educational context. Throughout the course, it will be made clear not only what the participants are expected to learn in the each unit, but also with each of this trend is crucial to effective and the meaningful assessment. This structure seeks not only to the inform but also to inspire a participant to implement the strength in their own educational practice. Impact assessment. The MOOC has a significant impact on educational practice by the providing participants with the tools and the knowledge that they will enable them to improve their assessment approach. As educators implement strategies to the acts formative assessment, authentic assessment, and the self-assessment. It is the effort to increase the engagement, and motivation their students. Go will feel more connect to their learning by forcing crucial things still through peer assessment. Students will develop great responsibility for their own educational process. This tool will not only enable education to adapt to the new realities, but will also generate a multiplier effect by transforming the learning experience of the numerous students over time.
Good day, everyone. My name is Valentina Herrera, and I'm going to talk about the practicum highlights. So, about it, we made our MOOC with innovative assessment trends in English language teaching in ELT, aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals, which teachers need to know how to incorporate in their classes and adapt their teaching style to students' learning styles and needs. So each group member took the task of creating a structured unit with clear learning objectives and gaining assignments and quizzes to reinforce key concepts of any uh, topic or trend in this project. So additionally, we create short videos tutorials on each assessment trend to provide practical. Then, through collaboration, we ensure the course was interactive, informative, and aligned with both educational innovation and global sustainability goals, empowering teachers to create more inclusive and impactful learning experiences. So, after we made some tests of this content, we searched for some improvement suggestions, and we made some pilot tests, and there were suggestions made as much as first there were some pages in blank, and this needed to be full file. One of the required pages was delayed and accidentally, so it required to be created again. Also, one of the quizzes was structured to improve the evaluation process of one of the trend. And there were improvements in orthography and design of all the content or the course.
Hello, everyone. My name is Brandon Sanchez. I want to talk about dissemination strategy. Our MOOC can be applied in different institutions where each student who was part of its creation does the pedagogical practice, because it's a strategy for educators and the institutions, because the use of these technological tools can help in the teaching of English, especially in high school grades. For example, in my case, in my practice side, students have felt very comfortable with materials like this. They can interact in the construction of their English learning. The evaluation results, the evaluation of the MOOC was carried out through the pilot test, like my colleague Ray said. Our feedback was provided focusing on the functionality, also the quality of the content. And I see strengths and weakness. For example, the content was clear and of quality, especially in the video tutorials and the learning objectives. Also, the tests were well aligned with the ODS. And the weakness, there were inconsistencies in one model, and it was necessary modification. The content from another module was delayed, but it was the first time we have used a platform like this, and I think it was a great result of this MOOC. It was everything. Thank you for your attention, and see you in another video. Thank you.